Hello everyone. Welcome to my new course. Learn Azure Synapse step by step with Project. In this course, we'll guide you through every aspect of Azure Synapse Analytics using practical projects to ensure a hands-on, immersive learning experience. We begin with Step 1, Azure Synapse Introduction. Here, you'll get a strong foundation in Synapse Analytics by exploring key concepts like data warehouses, data lakes, and the inception of Synapse Analytics. You'll also learn how to create a Synapse workspace and understand the different hubs, including data, develop, integrate, monitor, and manage. Next, in Step 2, Project Requirements and Solution Architecture, we'll dive into the specifics of our project. We'll cover the project overview, dataset, file types, and requirements, and then map out the solution architecture to get a clear picture of the project structure. In Step 3, Working with Serverless Pool, we'll explore the Serverless SQL Pool, including cost control strategies, and see how to connect it using Azure Data Studio. Step 4 is about querying CSV files. We'll use the Serverless SQL Pool to query CSV files, explore functions like Open Row Set, specify data types, collation, and more. We'll go through how to query subsets of columns, debug and identify errors, and even handle different file formats like tab-separated files. In Step 5, Querying JSON, we'll delve into querying JSON files in the Serverless SQL Pool. We'll look at single-line and multi-line JSON, JSON arrays, and use the OpenJSON function to query data with ease. Step 6 covers querying data within folders and multiple files. We'll show you how to query entire folders and leverage file metadata functions for more organized data management. With Step 7, Querying Parquet and Delta files, we'll look at columnar data formats, how to query Parquet files, and manage folders and subfolders containing Parquet and Delta files. In Step 8, Big Data Discovery, we'll focus on using the Serverless SQL Pool for data discovery. This includes identifying duplicate data, performing quality checks, joining files, and transforming data to improve data integrity. Step 9, Data Virtualization explores the concept of external tables, creating external tables for various file formats like CSV and Parquet, and setting up views to manage data. Step 10, Data Ingestion teaches you about data ingestion, transforming data into Parquet, and working with stored procedures. You'll learn how to handle partitioned files and efficiently manage large datasets. In Step 11, Data Transformation, Silver to Gold, we'll work on advanced transformations, fulfilling project requirements, and using stored procedures and views to optimize data for analysis. Step 12, Synapse Pipelines walks you through setting up pipelines for data transformation, covering pipeline design, parameterization, dynamic pipelines, and using activities like delete, script, and stored procedures. Step 13, Using Spark Pool provides an introduction to Spark Pool and its integration with Serverless SQL. You'll also learn about using notebooks in Synapse Pipelines for advanced data processing. In Step 14, Data Visualization with Power BI, you'll connect Power BI to Synapse and create insightful reports from your data. Step 15, Synapse Link HTAP introduces hybrid transaction and analytics processing, utilizing Cosmos DB to create a real-time link between transactional and analytical data. Lastly, in Step 16, Working with Dedicated SQL Pool, we'll create a dedicated SQL pool, understand its project requirements, and see how to use Polybase and the copy command to load data. We'll also cover how to connect to the dedicated pool from Azure Data Studio and Power BI. By the end of this course, you'll have mastered Azure Synapse Analytics and be ready to apply your skills in real-world projects. Let's dive in.